What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with the UP, and it's actually a video that I recorded quite a while ago, but it never actually made it to the channel, so here we go. It's just a short little install video. So we're going to be installing the Scorpion exhaust on the UP, and yeah, let's just get cracking on with it straight away. So the first step in installing the Milltek exhaust, we had to actually cut off the original exhaust from just before the silencer. So here we used the handy little tool. We then had to remove this little like support beam, I guess you want to call it. So first we trim it off just before the silencer, then we remove this to get it out the way, as we sort of have to twist the exhaust out without having to try and chop it up into too many pieces, although we did end up chopping it off. I think it was just behind the silencer, so just before and after this resonator we ended up doing the cuts. So as you can see here, the one on the right is the stock, the one on the left is the Milltek, and here we've got the back section. So it's just a slightly wider, nicer bit of tube, and the resonator is roughly the same size, and the install is quite literally the reverse. Just put it all back into place, put the copper grease that we used to seal it, make sure everything's all nicely aligned, and here we go. GPF, then the resonator, then the exhaust.
He left without me. He does this every year. Harry approved.
So there we have it. The exhaust is all installed on the UP, and it just makes that nice little tone. So it's not mega loud, so potentially look at getting rid of that center resonator in the future. But yeah, it's definitely a better change. It's got like a bit more of a throatier sound to it. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know down in the comments what you want to see done with the car, as I've seen a few people want to see the car more on the channel, so let me know what mods you want to see on it. Hi Charlotte. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video.